This video shows how you can use the bandwidth aggregation feature for an NXK TACE appliance with two SIMs and a USB dongle. This creates faster and stronger networks, especially at places where broadband connectivity is unstable or not available at all. For this video, we have used a 4G SIM from Jio and Idea and a USB tethering from BSNL. We will individually set up each connection first and check the speeds, and then provide bandwidth aggregation and check the combined output for all the connections. The link for setup of these connections is available on our YouTube channel. We first set up SIM 1. You can check the status of this connection on the dashboard. To check the connection of the SIM card, we perform a standard online speed test. The results are as displayed on your screen. We now set up SIM 2. We first disable SIM 1 and then enable SIM 2. You can check the online status of this SIM from the dashboard. To check the connection of the SIM card, we perform a standard online speed test. The results are as displayed on your screen. We now set up USB tethering. But first, we disable both the SIM connections. You can check the status of this connection on the dashboard as well. Once again, we perform the standard online speed test to determine the speed of this connection. You can check the results on your screen. We now activate the bandwidth aggregation mode. It is important that you enable the connections, set priority metrics for each connection. You can check the online status of all these connections on your dashboard. In the bandwidth aggregation feature, select all connections in the interface. We do the speed test one last time to prove conclusive results. The results displayed on your screen prove that the bandwidth aggregation feature of AnnexGate ACE provides a stronger and faster connection. As you can notice, this is a unique solution available from AnnexGate, and it can be used at remote locations where there is limited internet availability. Added to this, we can even create a VPN connectivity from the SIM and USB connections. We also provide an external antenna for remote areas where internet connection over SIM cards is erratic.